Yeah, it always comes back to community and just being able to give back to those who give so much for the town. Growing up in a small farm town, still as important as ever for me to do that. And very few careers allow you to have such impact in those areas, and very fortunate to be a part of that. Yeah, that's a good question. Predictability and the ability to give those clients that I work with a level of predictability in the overall plan, so that, obviously life is the most unpredictable thing that we deal with. And if I'm able to create some level of security long-term for them, that if it does take a turn one way or the other, that there's a level of safety that they can fall back on with that. If used properly, it can be generational. Yeah, this has been an incredible experience, and obviously thank you for the hospitality here. I was recommended by my really good friend Brian Akins to come here, and this has been an unbelievable experience over the last couple of days to learn, grow, and I think I owe it to my clients to continue to grow as a person, to help better listen and engage with them, to provide world-class service that we can do for them.